Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can make ultra realistic AI videos with your own face, even with your own voice, without spending hundreds of dollars. This will be fun and you can put yourself in any situation, any scenario, even creating cinematic videos. So how I am doing this is quite simple. First thing you want to do, and this is most likely the most important part, is that you want to create as realistic face of yourself, as a realistic image of yourself as possible. The best tool that I'm using is Higgsfield. Right here you can see you can create your own soul ID character, which means that you can basically create your own character with your own face. Here you can see you will have to upload 20 plus images, I think up to 70 images, and this AI will be training on your face. The next thing you can do, you can generate any image you like. Here you can see some of mine, and the face is 100% mine. Here you can see some 60s type, Star Trek type images. Basically, you can even select your own, the Higgsfield presets, and Higgsfield AI will be down in the description. So you can create iPhone style realistic digital camera, sunset, beach, CCTV footage. So there are different presets. I myself personally allow this 90s grain because it gives you that film image feeling, and here you can see some of my creations that I was using for this video. So the first part is training your AI avatar in Higgsfield, and then you can create anything you want. The second platform where you can create images with your own face is Midjourney. Now Midjourney doesn't train your face, that's why this is quite harder to generate, but still. And what I love about Midjourney is that Midjourney is actually creating much more cinematic. You can write specific styles, you can even train on different styles of different movies, what type of look you want. So I basically use this on my intro, and you can see this looks insane. This looks like a 60s movie, even the grain, all the style, all the color, and I have created so many images of myself. But again, you have to spend more time, how to spend more credits into creating something that looks actually like you. And how you can create an ultra realistic image of yourself in Midjourney is really easy. Just write a prompt. It doesn't matter, you can write anything you want. Set a specific aspect ratio, so 16:9 is for YouTube videos. Then you go to add images, and here in Omni reference in this tab, you basically click it. Then you have to select image, and I basically used all these intro videos with this image. The strength will be 150 for me. You can go from 100 to 200, don't go lower or higher. I think this is the sweet spot, but I use 150 for me personally, and just submit. And here you will see it. Basically, it will create 4 images of me, Omni style, with my face. So here the image is being created, and you can already see how great Midjourney is. I think Midjourney is the best platform for images, most likely few months, and this will you will be able to train your own avatars. For example, yourself, like similar like in Higgsfield. So that's that. That's the image part. Use Higgsfield or Midjourney AI for your own face. Now, as far as video, I made all the intro videos with 2.2. Now, why 1 is because here you can see it costs only $6.5 a month to get the pro plan, which is really cheap, the cheapest I know for video creation. And this video tool is, in my opinion, the best one, and I will explain you why. And for example, if you spend all your credits, you will be able to make up to 30 videos with 300 credits. You can buy additional credits. You don't have to increase the member plan for $20. You can just buy for $1.5, for $5, for $10, so you don't overspend the money. Now, for generating a videos, the most important part when you make a video from the images, the first thing you want to do, you want to choose the images that show your face in a great detail. So for example, this image, this is too far, the videos will not be as great. You basically have to choose images, or even create images where your face is as close as possible. So for example, this is perfect. For this image, the video will be insanely great quality and your face will keep the same structure. So here you can see when the face is taking like 50% of the whole image, it will look ultra realistic. Here is again in a car, quite nice. And the next part, which is really important, is in the prompt when you make the video, you want to keep the face static. So that's what you write, static face expression, static face, which means that the AI will keep your face as it is. It will not add any smile or any anger, and it will basically not mess up your face and you will look like you. This is one of the most important parts that I haven't seen any YouTube tutorial for AI showing you. And here you can see the face is static. And after that, after you add the vocals, the lip sync, the static, basically face will do wonders. And here you can see, even with me driving in a car and talking in a phone, I wrote static face. And here you can see it is basically the AI thought that if I have a phone to my basically ear, I have to speak. And here you can see some minimal talking, but still I made a insane video with this basically AI generated footage. So now the last step, how I added the lip sync with my own audio. Really easy. I use this tool, which is called Infinite Talk AI. This is the best lip sync AI tool right now. I mean, this came out like 1 week ago. So what I did, I basically recorded the intro with my own voice with this microphone, which is really high quality. And I chopped the audio like for 5 seconds, because the generations for one is 5 seconds. That's why I chopped 5 seconds and I basically chopped the audio. And for each audio, I basically synced it with this video. Now what you want to do is go to Infinite Talk. You will upload your video that you basically generated from one. Then you will select your audio. For example, I uploaded my own voice. You can even create your AI voice in 11 Labs. If you want to create as realistic videos as possible, what you will have to do, you will again how to write static face. So static face, I will show you example what this means. So this first video I created was just without prompt. I just added the audio, the video, and look what it basically did. For some reason, it created my face look angry. And let's listen with audio. Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can make. So that's why I thought like this will not work. And I just tried to enter prompt static voice, static face. And that's all I wrote in the prompt. There is no extra stuff because the video is already done. And here you can see this is with static face. Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can make. Hey guys, this video again with static face as a prompt. This video as well with static face. So that's the most important part for creating one video is static face, and here as well static face. That's how you will be able to create ultra realistic videos. I haven't seen anyone talk about this. And for the last part, what I did, I add some basically sound effects. For example, here you can see, you can hear the chickens. So today I will show you how you can just went on YouTube and you can just write SFX, which means sound effects for example, chickens, and just scroll down, you will find different chicken sounds in the barn or whatever. And that's how I added different sound effects for all of my clips, because right now there is no AI that can do this. That's why this is the only part that I did manually, just finding on YouTube sound effects and adding to my videos. But overall, you can basically create images with yourself with AI, ultra realistic videos, ultra realistic lip sync. And this is just the beginning. Every month, even every week, new AI tools come out. That's why if you don't want to miss any upcoming AI tools like this that I talk about, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, get a notification instantly. you don't miss out on any AI news, AI tools, AI updates. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.